Welcome one more time to Iva's Auto. So as I promised in the previous video, so this just was going to be just a display video about all the accessories that I've got and I've bought over the time for a normal or a weekend warrior user of a pressure washer. So I've got a Ryobi which has universal connectors, so that will be an example for every single pressure washer that uses universal connections. And on the right I've got a Karcher, because Karcher has exclusive, or if you like, patent connectors, and I will explain that in a different video. So this is just an introduction. I'm going to shoot a series of videos explaining everything slowly and with more details, but for now I'm going to take the camera in my hand and I'm going to describe everything from the garden hose, the connectors, the high pressure connectors, the high pressure hoses, guns, foam cannons, adapters, lances, everything. Let's start it now. Okay, let's start describing what I've got on the table little by little. So I think we are going to start with the inlet for this pressure washer, water inlet. Although these are cordless pressure washers, obviously they need water as an input. So here on the left I've got a water filter. Now if you live in America, just to filter any impurity that your water might have, I recommend this filter from Tastepure. Now I will try to put other alternatives in the description as well for the European markets. And I've got these 2 meters, I think there were about 2 meters garden hose. I bought it in the Obsessed Garage store. These are the connectors you need. These are 3/4, right? You've got females and male plugs. And this is the fireman. This is the fireman style nozzle that I use. Now I recommend on the outside of the garden hose to put a valve. I like this brass valve. And then when you've got the water inside your pressure washer, you need quick connectors. So when you pass into the high pressure part, those connectors pass from 3/4 to 3/8. So you've got a 3/8 male plug there, in which you connect the high pressure hoses, right? Whenever you buy a cheap pressure washing machine, they come with a very cheap garden hose. For example, in this case, this Ryobi comes with a 7-meter hose, which is horrible, and on the other hand it is even worse in length. This Karcher comes with a 4-meter hose. You don't go anywhere with 4 meters. For that cases, of course, you need to upgrade your pressure washer high pressure hose. I've got 2 options here, well 3, counting that one from Karcher. I've got the MTM Cobra Jet hose. Obviously there's no doubt, if you live in America, you want this hose. This is a 3/8 hose. However, for the Europeans, I will put in the description other alternatives, because you have to import that one, which is made in America, although MTM is Italian, an Italian brand. I've got here an alternative. This is a 1/4 inch pressure washer hose. Also, both of them are 15 meters or 50 foot in length. All of them with quick connectors from MTM in this case. And those connectors connects into pressure washer guns. I've got, if you want it, 1, 2 and 3 guns on the table. So this is a MV925, I think, yeah, which is a good quality. Now next you jump into a Sudnet ST gun, which is my recommendation, and it's a great gun. Finally, you jump into the best gun in the market, which is the Mosmatic. All of these guns come with, maybe I can show you here, a rotary here. So this part rotates, you see, swivels. So yeah, that's my recommendations. From them, in the inlet of the gun, you've got a 3/8 plugs, males normally. And in the outside of output of the gun, you've got a 1/4 inch male plug into coupler. And on the coupler you can directly connect the nozzle you like with quick connects, whether it's this one from MTM with the size you need for your pressure machine, or you can also use the standard ones. For example, this one is from Ryobi, and the turbo nozzle you see there. Now the Karcher is another history. I will explain that in a different video. That's why I've got all these things there. And also you can change your lances with better lances. For example, I've got different lengths. This will be for the undercarriage. I've got 70 centimeters or 27 inches, 20 inches, etc, etc, etc. Whether it's with directly, for example, with this one with a coupler here, so you can connect anything, alright? Or you can also have a direct nozzle, which I prefer sometimes. I got different connectors here. I will explain that in a different videos. And finally, one of the things that people are most interested in are the foam cannons. So foam cannons are quite, there's a lot of talk to say about those. For example, I'm going to describe anything. I'm going only to describe the models I've got here. This is the Karcher foam cannon, standard from Karcher. This is a bad Chinese that I bought, but it's quite funny in black. This is a recommended Chinese one. And then I only got my favorites, which are the MTMs, where is the first model, the MPF22 of the upgraded bottle with the PF22.2, with the Karcher connectors, with the one with a 1/4 inch male plug. This was the old bottle, the new bottle, and also if you watch there, I've got the quick connector from Obsessed Garage. And that's it for now, guys. I think I have describe almost everything I'm going to do this series with. And if you got any doubts, please leave me in the comments. Any request videos you like, please leave it in the comments. But most importantly, if you got any pressure washer that you have issues with, you cannot find any connectors or any other adapter you need, any other accessories you need, please send me a picture or send me an email to info@evisauto.com, and I will try to answer that mail as quick as possible, right? And that's all for now. I think we have a very interesting series here, and see you on the next video, guys. Thank you, bye.